In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link tables in Microsoft Access. By the end, you'll know how to connect external data, like an Excel sheet or another Access database, to your Access file, and then create a relationship between those tables so your queries and reports stay up to date. Start by opening Microsoft Access and loading the database where you want these links to live. If you're not already there, this is the file that will reference the external data rather than storing a copy of it. With your database open, look to the ribbon at the top and switch to the External Data tab. This is the hub for bringing in information from other sources. Next, choose New Data Source. If your data is coming from a spreadsheet, pick from File and then Excel. If it lives in another Access database, pick from Database and then Access. This simply tells Access what type of source you're connecting to. Browse to the file you want, and when prompted, select the option that says Link to the data source by creating a linked table. Linking is key here. It keeps the data in its original location but makes it available inside your database. That means updates in the source reflect in Access without re-importing. It's ideal for shared or frequently changing data. You'll now be asked to select which tables, or in the case of Excel, which worksheets or named ranges you want to link. Choose only what you need and click OK. A quick tip: make sure your Excel columns have clear headers and consistent data types, because those become your field names and affect how Access interprets the data. With the linked tables created, head to the Database Tools tab and click Relationships. This opens the Relationships window, which is where you define how tables connect. Add the tables you plan to relate so they appear in the diagram. To create the relationship, drag the primary key field from the table that defines unique records and drop it onto the matching foreign key field in the related table. The primary key is the unique identifier like customer ID or order ID. The foreign key is the field in the other table that stores those same values to reference the parent record. For the relationship to work cleanly, those values should match in meaning and data type. When the dialog appears, review the fields and then click Create. You'll see a join line between the tables indicating they're linked logically. That's it. Your external data is linked and your tables are related. Now you can build queries and forms that pull consistent, up-to-date information across both tables without duplicating data.